to eHIROBO.com. Okay, this is the new WALKERA 450. Finally, WALKERA entered the 450 market, and this is the 450D01. And let's see what's inside. As usual, protected by vacuum foam plastic, and inside you got the blade holder. See, as usual, WALKERA fashion for the new WALKERA model, this is a flybarless helicopter with a built-in 4-in-1 receiver, gyro, mixer, all mixed together. Full carbon fiber flames, and the heli comes standard with carbon fiber blades as well, and carbon fiber fins, and it's a nice heli, and full aluminum high-speed digital rudder servos. And all the blades are interchangeable with normal 450 helicopters. And inside this nicely pre-painted canopy, got the battery mount, the usual 3-cell 2200 milliamps battery for use in most of the 450 helicopter. Full brushless motor. The tail drive system is driven by a belt. And then you got the balance chargers, more tools that come with the kits as well. The balance charger, and then it comes with the top of the line WALKERA 2801 Pro transmitter as well. So thank you and have a good day.